You think you are in the waking, no? When you start recognizing, no, I am not in the waking is in me. When you start seeing this, you will start seeing, oh, suddenly there is waking, suddenly there is dream, and suddenly there is deep sleep. It's not that it happens only in the night. There is no day and night. In fact, day is in me, night is in me. All ideas, everything becomes an idea. The whole um, concept of a world collapses. Yeah. And the I shudders, the I starts shaking, it doesn't like it. Oh, I am not I. My world is not mine, it doesn't exist. No, no, no. Let me distract myself with some memory story. And there, you get busy. No, no, no. My house, my wife, my husband, my child, my this, my that, my. Good. I'm busy. Do you see this? Observe what the I is doing. Observe. You become a detective. A detective. And detect, oh, see, now the I is looking for a story. Can I just stay? Just stay. Calm down, relax. You don't need that memory story to hang on to right now. Just be and it will die. It's okay. Yeah, it was just for the little shelf life of the I that you have to fool it. Yeah, once it dies, it's gone anyways. And then you just stay quiet. Yeah. So this is the trick. This is the skill that you have to work on. Again, big warning, you will be able to work on this only if you love yourself the most. Right now, you don't love yourself enough. You love money more, you love wife more, husband more, you love company, you love Netflix, you love video games. If not that, you're hanging on to scriptures, grinnati, or grasping at the world. That is the reason you're not able to do it, because you don't love yourself enough. Yeah? When you love yourself, you love that nothingness, the nobodiness. It's so peaceful, it's so blissful. There is no point jumping into the person and holding on, grinnati, grasping. This is so much conflict. So much conflict. Yeah. So focus on self-love. The love that you will recognize only when you taste the deliciousness of being nobody. Nobody and nothing.